great tool to use if you are looking for additional support, if you want to grow as a person and you're looking to gain specific skills, whether it's communication skills or anger management skills. Therapy is also great if you are in a crisis situation. Let's say you lost a loved one or you experienced a traumatic incident. It's a good idea to seek out support through a therapist in those types of situations. Or if you have a specific mental health condition, then typically a psychotherapist is someone who can help treat multiple diagnosis of different types of mental health conditions. So if you can relate to any of these, then I would say yes, seek out support. Psychotherapy, also known as talk therapy, is a great way to help process your thoughts and your emotions about some of these various situations so that you can heal and repair, especially if it's a traumatic situation that you've experienced. Or again, it helps with skill building. If you need to gain more insight about yourself, I definitely think that talk therapy is a great way to get a fresh perspective on things you may not have thought about that will help you to grow as a person. If you've never been in therapy before, it can be a bit daunting because it's something new, right? Like you're talking with a total stranger. And so typically therapy it's a process. You know, one of the first steps in therapy is about just building an alliance even with the therapist that you're meeting with. So you can meet with this person either in person. I know there's some providers who will meet with you in their office, or you can do it through telehealth on different platforms, which is pretty much like a video conference. Sessions are typically about an hour long, and basically the beginning stages, most therapists, they just want to get to know who you are as a person and want to get to know what some of your major concerns are. So what they do, or what we do, is we go through this process called an assessment process, where we're just asking a lot of questions, you know, what's been going on, questions about your history, just so that we can know what types of interventions will be useful for you. And so with that process, you'll speak with your therapist, talk about goals that you can achieve. I would definitely want to encourage you to set specific goals, basically what you'll be working on in your sessions on a weekly basis. Now, as far as time frame, most people on average spend about 6 months to a year in therapy, depending upon how intense or how severe their symptoms are. But so it really kind of determines or depends person by person as far as how long you'll be in therapy. But I definitely recommend setting goals so that you can monitor your progress. I believe therapy is about growth and about evidence that shows that things are getting better. And so the best way to have that evidence is to set specific goals so that you can see if therapy is working or not. There are many platforms that offer directories to therapists that are local to you. I know a couple of popular ones. Psychology Today is a popular one. ZenCare is also another directory that you can use where you can see the profile of the providers and you can kind of determine if you want to meet with them to see if they would be a good fit for you. Myself, I am in Southern California, and so if you are local and you want to chat about your mental health needs, you can check out the link in my bio. You can set up a free consultation and we can talk about what your mental health needs are, and we can just kind of go from there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.